Largest lead of the game has only been 8 by Petron. With the Togentex lumamang ng hanggang 5 back in the first half. Fajardo bottled up. Ocampo takes it away. Alapag to the corner. Reyes couldn't pull the trigger. Bagsak muna niya, papunta kay Jordan yung bola. Puta tayo na mo! By Junmar Fajardo.
Grabe yung dominance talaga ni Junmar Fajardo over Jordan in this game.
Cabagnot loses his footing. Foul whistled on Jimmy Alapag.
Togentex would definitely want to run in this ball game. But yun nga lang pinapahirapan talaga si Junmar Fajardo stuffing itong si Jordan on the low post.
Pagka 200 block, hindi lang piso, dapat 2 piso.
5 piso na. Wala nang 5 yung 2 piso eh.
Sims, air ball on that pull-up. Henry Sims, is that really his game? Mahilig siya sa pull-up jumpers. We have not yet to see him really pound it inside.
You know, he could actually be a more dangerous player here if he could actually post up more because he's got great size, you know, great footwork.
Yung kanyang outside game, okay na even putting the ball on the floor. Pero yung pagdating talaga sa poste, bihirang-bihira natin nakikita yung ginagawa ni Henry Sims.
Lassiter, who burned the hoops for 19 in the first half, gives it up papunta kay Cabagnot. Alex on the move, gets it out to Sims. Nakita si Tubit mula sa kanto. No go. Jordan for the rebound. Pangalawang rebound pa lang yan para dito kay Jerome Jordan, who has played limited minutes once again. Alapag is fouled. He'll through to the line for 2 shots.
Itong si Alex kapag talaga sinasabay niya itong si Jimmy Alapag. Is that, you know, Jimmy wants to really up-tempo the ball game. He doesn't really want as much as possible to, he could take advantage actually of that size and speed difference on the floor.
Jimmy Alapag now with 3 points in total. Was concentrating on distributing earlier on. Pero nung nawala yung Jerome Jordan in the second quarter, he started to take his shots. He's now got a total of 4. Tatlong minuto na lumilipas sa ating ikatlong yugto. Fajardo asking for it. Tubit gets it to him. Hand off pabalik kay Tubit. Jumps a pass to nobody. Ninakaw na yun ni Jordan. Tumatakbo si Jordan with Alapag. The Mighty Mouse lobs it up. Mintis. Masyadong malalim para dito kay Jerome Jordan. Hinihingi pa siya ng foul.
Sayang yung nangyari doon kay Jerome Jordan case of naging masyado siyang ganati. Over-eagerness na yung nangyari because he reached in against Ronald Tubit who's a lot smaller than him. Parang sayang naman if you waste your foul with a shorter guy.
Kaya naman, napituan siya ng kanyang ika-4 na personal foul. Yun, nanggigil siya doon sa suntok.
Because, you know, he could have actually made 2 points, pero alanganin na yung pagkuha niya ng bola. So now, he goes back to the bench.
Coach Norman redeploying etong si Ali Peak. Tatlo ang abante ng Petron. Just like in game 1, early here in the third quarter, napaupo na naman etong si Jerome Jordan. Sims with a pull-up. In and out. Alapag kontra Cabagnot. The Mighty Mouse for the tie.
Bang! We've been looking for that. Jimmy Alapag now has to make shots because wala na nga silang effort on the floor.
Tied now at 62. Togentex battling without their import yet again. Fajardo with a jump hook. Niluwan ng ring. Ali bothered by Sims. Henry takes it away. Lassiter crossover. Step back jumper. Rattles home.
Great crossover move and a nice step back in that corner. Marshall Lassiter still lighting it up.
Alapag. Iiwan para kay Peak. Ali finding that space, overshoots the mark though. Cabagnot will push it the other way. Lutz on the catch, mag-aabang. The 4th basket of Henry Sims gives him 10 points.
Yun ang maganda kay Henry Sims. He gets it from the 15-foot line. Once he gets to the basket, there's no way you can stop him.
Reyes being bothered by Lutz. Switch sa kanya si Fajardo. Lutz recovers. They swing it around. RDO has 7 to work with. Hesitation move. De Ocampo couldn't get the bounce. Lassiter in the front court. 5 na ang kalaban niya dyan. Ayaw makipagsayaw sa kanya. Neto ni Jared Dillinger. Lassiter wants to attack Dillinger. They bounce it out. Sims in trouble. Is fouled.
Foul number 10 by Reyes. That's his third. 3 on Colton Texas. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
(66-62) Petron wanting to add to this 4-point lead. 6.5 remaining in the third. Fajardo kontra Peak. Up and under. Junmar. Not that time around. Sims underneath has it slapped away. Lassiter ended up with it. Here's Kabagi. Sims deep position. Vanidel whistle for the foul.
Maganda rin yung ginawa ni Henry Sims. He actually knew that he had that advantage on that post. He sealed very hard and kept itong si Renidel de Ocampo behind him.
Offensive foul whistled on the pick coming from Junmar Fajardo. Kahit yung bench ng Petron, alam na yung pangyayari yun. Napangiwi na lang sila, sayang na.
That's his 4th foul already. Junmar Fajardo has to go back to the bench.
So Junmar and Jerome Jordan now in the same boat. 66-62 is the score. Tig-4 na foul yung dalawang malaking mama. 4 na puntos din ang abante ng Petron. And from the thousands in attendance para sa ating Super Bowl Sunday quarterfinal edition, nahanap na natin ang ating mga ulala, mahal ng masa, fans of the day. Mula sa masarap, malaman, mura at convenient kasi easy to open, ulalam, ready to eat ulam. Para sa masa, mahal ng masa, ulalam, 15 pesos lang. 66-62. Petron getting the stop on one end, could not capitalize dito sa kabilang dulo. Dillinger is fouled by Lutz.
His third, 4 on the face was big. Substitution, Jason Ducko for Jared Dillinger.
Astro nagbabalik para dito kay Dillinger. Pangatlong personal foul na yun para dito kay Chris Lutz. Fonacher also now part of the 5 para dito sa tropang Dexters. Fonacher, naipagpag si Lassiter. Offensive foul whistled. Dahil nasa lugaw ng uso ni Lassiter, yung siko ni Fonacher.
Well, he's so down on the floor right now. It seems that he's
take another look at that last piece of action. Gano'ng katindi yung contact na tinanggap neto ni Marcio. Marshall Lassiter will have to be checked on. All the angles available to us here.
malapit sa ilong tinamaan eh. No?
Marshall is visibly shaken up. He walks towards that Petron bench. Coach Olsen Rosella checking on his wingman. But Lassiter will stay in the game. Natin ito si Marshall Lassiter, meron ng 21 puntos sa larong ito. Santos from top of the key, Looking for Sims, deep position, kicks it out. Lutz with a pull-up. No go para dito kay Chris. Castro ends up with a leather. Alapag. Looking to be aggressive here. Will bounce it out. RDO punches it through.
Good decision making there by Jimmy Alapag. I thought he was going to take that wide open 3-point shot, but he's actually just draw the defense to him and gave it to Randel Ocampo.
Mabasa isa ang abante ng Petron. Wala nang 5 minuto na titira sa ating ikatlong yugto. Miranda to the corner. Lutz to Sims. Now he posts up. Arwin with the rebound. Put back. Ayaw talaga. Castro will push the action. Miranda staying right in front of Jason Castro. Alapag against Lassiter. Trying to finish with the left. Will have to earn his 2 points from the line. And now Denok Miranda and Jimmy Alapag in each other's grills.
We've seen a lot of those, physicality even in the first half of action. When Denok Miranda actually went hard at Jimmy Alapag.
Pang-apat na personal foul na ipito dito kay Denok Miranda. Hindi nga si Denok kasi late Lassiter yun, kaya hindi nagustuhan ni Alapag dahil tinamaan pa ulit siya ni Denok Miranda.
Pero nagkakausap na sila
yun, binago na kay Lassiter, kaya nga nagalit si Jimmy kasi tinamaan pa siya ni Denok. Meron ng foul na nauna.
Kanina pa yun, nagtatamaan even in the first half, even if yung foul kay Lassiter, naiinis talaga na si Jimmy Alapag because there's a lot of physicality between him and Denok Miranda even in the first half.
Time out muna para kina Coach Olsen Rosales. Back for more of game number 2. Salpukang talk and text at Petron. Bad blood para makarating sa semifinals. Abante sa serye. Etong talk and text 1-0. Unang makadalawa. Tutuloy na kalaban ang Alaska. Talk and text now ahead by 1. Alapag has it erased by Henry Sims. Napangiti na lang doon si Mighty Mouse. Ang laki.
Bully. But it's a great job there by Henry Sims covering the defense, especially for those guys driving to the basket.
Alam mo, may proposal si Miko Halili. Pagka daw mga point guard sinlaki ni Alapag, naputata na mga 6'10", 6'9", dapat technical foul gawin. Castro, shot clock winding down, on the run, couldn't bail him out. Sims collars the board. Lassiter slowed down a bit here in the third quarter. Miranda to Santos. Lucky bounce para dito kay Arwin. Gets him 8 points.
But he's been trying so hard getting offensive rebounds. Talaga sinisipagan na lang ni Arwin Santos. But actually matagal-tagal na rin siyang hindi nakakapuntos. And that's, it's been a while that he's made the shot.
Arwin only came up with an 8 back in game 1. Already has the same total here as Ali Big decides to pull up dahil hindi maibigay kay De Ocampo. Talkatex keeps this possession on that side of the floor. Ranidel gets the drop on Arwin. Butatating kay Sims! Lassiter diving out of bounds. Muntikan pa sa kasaan si Johan Natural. Nagkakamutan na siya doon sa ilalim.
Pero grabe itong pinapakita ni Sims. He's dominating the shaded area, really helping out his team defensively.
Alapag to De Ocampo. Here's a three. No go. Denok, protektahan na lang. Palabas yung bola doon.
You know, if Sims can continue to play defense like this and control the interior, Talk 'N Text should be just forced to shoot from the outside. And you know, that's the time that Talk 'N Text would really have to make their shots, because if not, then magiging problema yon.
Sims, who averages better than 2 blocks per ball game, talaga namang nagpaparamdam na dito sa game number 2. Alapag whistle first, third person.
Ryan Reyes for Jimmy Alapag.
Ryan Reyes nagbabalik nga para dito kay Alapag. 68-67, Petron up by 1. Miranda to Sims, taken away by Reyes. It's gonna be a foot race. Ryan Reyes 2 steps ahead, gets the layup.
Ganda naman ang pagkakapasok ni Ryan Reyes. He actually turned that defensive stop into easy 2 points.
That shoves Talk 'N Text back ahead 69-68, coming up on the 2-minute warning ng quarter number 3. Lutz to Santos, looking to hit double digits. Arwin puts it up. No. Sims against Raba. Ayaw. Sims cleans up his mess.
Persistent face-off. Henry Sims just staying with it and challenging Aluseni underneath.
70-69. Bawian ng Kalamangan late in the third quarter. Castro dribbles it off his own foot. Jason immediately apologizing to his coaching staff. Washington asking for it. They want to go to Sims. Back to Denok. Knockout play para sa Petron.
Ganda naman ang setup job na ginagawa dito ni Henry Sims. He's not really providing so many points, but look, he's playing an all-around game, blocking shots, assisting.
Denok now in double digits, a total of 10 points. Ponasher against Lutz, bibigyan ng pick ni Ali. Raba with a pull-up, goal splash for the 2 points.
Tama yung pagkakapasok ni Raba Aluseni, but there's contact there between Sims and Aluseni.
Petron goes back to Sims. This time around, well covered si Miranda on the backdoor cut. Sims carving out some space. Abiling na nagtawag sa kanya doon. Kabagnot nagbabalik para dito kay Lutz. Coach Olsen going back to his 2-point guard combination of Miranda and Kabagnot. Kabagnot will have to contend with Ponasher. Miranda with Castro. Castro trying to blow by Denok Miranda. Nothing but board sa tira na yun.
Well, Denok Miranda is really making life hard for Jason Castro. Jason Castro was scoring in the first half. Dito talaga pinapahirapan na siya.
Miranda, hindi maipagpag itong si Castro. Sasalubungin pa ni Aluseni dito. Sims finding Santos underneath.
Another great pass right there by Henry Sims. You know, the good thing about it, when he plays outside, he sees the floor better.
Arwin Santos now in double digits. We haven't said that in a while. Last shot time para dito kay Reyes. 4 to work with. Crossover on Santos. Ryan Reyes with a teardrop off the glass for 2.
So this guy again is taking over the game of Talk 'N Text.
Enough time for a Hail Mary. Washington, diretso-diretso. Bitin nga lamang. So at the end of the first 36 minutes of action, it is Petron by 1, 74-73. The fourth and final quarter of action coming up. Henry Sims coming to life in quarter number 3. May pagpatuloy ba niyan sa ating pagbabalik? The intensity of this game, the emotions overflowing, all kinds of clutch, all kinds of enjoyment, and all kinds of pain. 12 more minutes of bad blood sa aming pagbabalik.